Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. In today's video we have another Opel Collections model. This one looks very much more of like a, I don't know, like a Chevy of some sort, like an Impala or something like that, but it's not. It's the Opel Diplomat A Coupe, made from 1965 till 1967. Looks very, very cool. Let's have some details for this car. So its top speed is 200 kilometers. I mean, not miles. That is pretty high, I think, for this type of car. Goes up to 110 seconds, which is very impressive. Oh, I can see me in the background. Hello. Well, you can't see my face, but not fully at least. The horsepower is 230. Which are pretty nice for this car, since this is like a 60s car. The previous car I opened on the channel was from the 50s, and it had all these stats by half down. That one was going up to 130 seconds. The top speed was like 140 or 130 or something. And the horsepower also were like 140, I think, or so. I'm sorry, you can hear my neighbor's kids running around in the apartment building. So yeah, let's get this guy out and give it the freedom it deserves. So let's put that to the side there. There's the model itself. Okay. Okay, the kid was knocking on my door, and I asked him to be a little bit more quiet because I'm doing my video today. So yeah, here's the model on the plastic plate, and now we have at least I have the horrible issue of getting this screw open. So I'll deal with that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the model has been removed from the triangle screw. This time it came open quite easily, actually. I was surprised. So we have very nice, like, white walls. Maybe not the best ones on the back wheel, but yeah, so I have some back tire issue here, which I think it's some flashing maybe on the tire, which is an easy fix, of course, after the filming, because this one is inside of an arch and getting it back in would be a bit difficult. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can see what's the issue here. It's definitely not the plastic, so it could be the tire itself having that's fine. So here's your details for the front. The lights for the front are all inserted. There's nothing painted here. This is Diplomat on the front. It looks like it would have an opening hood, but it doesn't. None of these 140 actually don't like that 143s have any opening parts, because they give me instantly like a toyish vibe to them. I can like deal with it when it's like 164 scale. It's like it's more like opening hood, fine. Doors, not so much. But if it's there and I bought them all, I'm not gonna really do anything about it unless I can like glue them shut or something like that. So back to this model. So we have a blue interior. We have some, by the looks of it, some wood paneling going on inside around the doors in the back, also on the panel in there. This one also comes with a little mirror. I have some nice molding details. I wish it had like a different tone roof, but it still looks very good. I like the back light and everything, like the big wide one right there. Plastic base. Got some exhaust details going on in the bottom. Yeah, mostly looking all perfectly, well, mostly fine. Rolls fantastically well and looks very good. So there you have it. This Diplomat looking amazing, in my opinion. Also very cheap. Around 10 euros is what I spent for this one. Maybe 8. I think I paid 8 for this one, if I'm not mistaken. So, oh, I just realized there's no window here. I mean, there's a window on this side, but there's no window on the driver's side. Oh, I didn't notice that. I wonder, what was that also on the... Yeah. Well, here's the previous car I opened. Also has the same. I didn't even notice this. There's no window for the driver's side. There's a window on the other side. Interesting. Probably for you to check out the interior or something. But, yeah. I think it's a win. So, hope you guys liked it. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.